From 1991, Hudson Soft brings us the Tennokoe bank card. Both Might and Magic 3 and SimEarth could consume all the memory in your PC Engine. Hudson Soft released a few different options for backing up your game data, and the Tennokoe bank card was one of the most versatile options. The Tennokoe bank card could be used with any game that used game save data, primarily because it doesn't actually save to the card, but can back up your PC Engine or Duo. The Tennokoe bank card definitely stands the test of time. I've had this card since 1995 and it still works perfectly. Let's take a look at how to use this backup option. The manual won't be a lot of help, so let's dig into the card and see how it works. So your Duo's memory is full. You have your Tennokoe bank card, you insert it into the card slot and turn on the system. The first screen you see is the startup screen or run screen. Just go ahead and click run, and then you will be presented with three options. The first option allows you to copy the data from your PC Engine to the card. The second option allows you to copy all the data from the card to the PC Engine. And the third option allows you to swap the data between your PC Engine and one of the banks within the card. When saving to the card, you'll be given 3 chances to change your mind. Press button 1 and you will see this screen allowing you to select one of the chests to save your data. Now press the run button, selecting yes. You'll be prompted one last time. You can select yes or no with the run button. I'm going to select no and go back to the main screen. From here I can press select and cycle through the different treasure chests to see the different data. From here, press the 1 button, and here you can see the contents of each chest or the PC Engine. As you might have guessed by now, each chest equals the memory found in your PC Engine. You are able to back up your PC Engine 4 times or have 4 times the number of game saves. The swap option allows a sort of musical chair scenario where you're able to use the PC Engine as a 5th storage place. You can store memory in 4 chests plus the PC Engine and then swap any of those 4 chests with the PC Engine. This is a total of 5 different storage devices. One of the card's best features is its price. Finding one on eBay is quite easy and will run you about $15 to $20 in the year 2011. Despite its low price, the Tennokoe bank card is one of the most versatile options. Compare it to the Tennokoe 2, which plugs onto the back of a PC Engine, and compare it to the Memory Base 128. The Tennokoe 2 can only be plugged into a PC Engine without CD-ROM, and the Memory Base 128 will only work with about 18 games. The Tennokoe bank will work with all systems. It can't save data directly from a game, but it can back up any game save data for later retrieval. It's important to note that the Tennokoe bank won't work with standalone PC Engines with no backup memory of their own. The card slot would already be in use and there'd be no way to save the game data. But adding a Tennokoe 2 to your PC Engine gives it the memory it needs and then lets you back up that memory to the Tennokoe bank. The manual consists of a 3-page comic and 6 pages of instructions for navigation of the card. Once you get through the comic making up your own dialogue for the characters, you can get to the inner workings of the card. Much of it is fairly self-explanatory, but it can be a little tricky to navigate if you can't read Japanese. Navigating the Tennokoe bank is fairly self-explanatory, although there are a couple of tricky spots, such as using the select button to expose the different portions of the bank and viewing the data within each bank. If you've enjoyed this review of the Tennokoe bank for the PC Engine, please leave a comment or subscribe. We'll be making more videos about the PC Engine and other great classic consoles.